Young girls, I hope you are following children what we are teaching. Now, you have learned the areas and perimeters of plane figures last year. You might wonder what are plane figures. Square, rectangle, quadrilateral are all called plane figures. What does the term area mean, children? Area means the extent of the surface. How much space the figure occupies is called area. And perimeter, what does the term perimeter mean? Suppose you take a rectangle. You know area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. But for the same rectangle, if you require the perimeter, what you have to do? It is the sum of all the four sides. You already know that a rectangle has two lengths and two breadths. So if 2 is taken out common, it is 2 into L plus B. Plane figures, square, rectangle, quadrilateral are all called plane figures. And you would have already learned what is a triangle. A triangle is a polygon with three sides. A polygon with three sides is a triangle. A polygon with three sides is a triangle. This is base and height. The area of triangle is equal to half base into h. But sometimes there are triangles where you are not given the height. You are given the three sides. This three sides area is found out using Heron's formula. Heron's formula. This formula is only used for a triangle when three sides are given. Heron's formula is used to find the area of the triangle when three sides are given. The three sides are taken as A, B and C. A mathematician by name Heron's in the 10th AD was the first person to derive the formula for the area of triangle with three sides. That is why it is named in his name as Heron's formula. Heron's formula is used to find the area of the triangle when three sides are given. The three sides are A, B and C. You will learn the basic concepts, children. When the side is in meters, the area of the figure will be in meters squared. When the side is in centimeters, the area will be in centimeters squared. Heron's formula was formulated by a mathematician who belonged to Egypt of the 10th AD, and that is why we are calling it as Heron's formula. When if A, B and C are the sides of a triangle, A, B and C are the sides of a triangle, then area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. Now, if A, B and C are the sides of a triangle, then area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. This is Heron's formula, children. Yes, what are A, B and C? The sides. And S stands for semi-perimeter. What is A plus B plus C? Perimeter. Perimeter by 2 is what? Semi-perimeter. S stands for what, children? Semi-perimeter. Perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Perimeter by 2 is called semi-perimeter. Therefore, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 or perimeter by 2. In some questions they have given perimeter directly. Only one formula for this chapter, children, related to sides of a triangle. If A, B and C are the sides of the triangle, then area of triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What does A, B and C stands for? Sides. And what is S, children? Semi-perimeter. The word semi-perimeter means half of the perimeter or perimeter divided by 2. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 and perimeter is A plus B plus C.
என்னம்மா?
Next, area of equilateral triangle. You know what is an equilateral triangle? An equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square units, where root 3 value is equal to 1.732. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to the sum of all the three sides, a plus a, that is equal to 3a units. An equilateral triangle, children, all the sides are equal. Therefore, root 3 by 4 a square units, where a is the side. A stands for side and the value of root 3 is 1.732. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal, children. A plus a, 2a plus a, that is equal to 3a units. And area of right triangle. Area of right triangle is equal to half AB square units. What are A and B? A and B are the sides containing the right angle. What are A and B? The sides of the right triangle. A and B are the sides of the right triangle. Learn the formula, children. The first formula is Heron's formula. Heron's formula deals with the area of the triangle when three sides are given. Area of triangle with sides is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S stands for semi-perimeter. Next, area of equilateral triangle is equal to, what is an equilateral triangle? All the sides are equal and the formula is root 3 by 4 a square, where a stands for side and the value of root 3 is 1.732. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3a units. All the sides are equal, so you can write it as 3a. A right triangle. Area of right triangle is equal to half AB square units, where A and B are the sides of the right triangle. Learn the three formulas, children. Now we are going to do the exercise from your textbook. All of you open your textbooks. Put the textbook in front of you. Textbook, children. Exercise 12.1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A units. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula, and if the perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? The signal board is an equilateral triangle having the slogan on it, school ahead with side A units. Yes, an equilateral triangle with side A units. Find the area of this equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. Side of equilateral triangle is given as what, children? A units. They have asked you to find the area of triangle, equilateral triangle, using what? Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square units. First find out s, children. What is s? A plus b plus c by 2. Here a, b and c are all equal, children. So we write it as a plus a. Why? It is s value. A is equal to b is equal to c. Equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. Area of equilateral triangle. So in the place of s, what will you put, children? You will put 3a by 2. 3a by 2 minus a into 3a by 2 minus a into 3a by 2 minus a. Simplification, children. First bracket LCM is 2. 3a minus 2a. Second bracket also 2 into a. 2a by 2. Third bracket also 3a minus 2a by 2. Yes. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Multiply, children. How many a's? A into a square, into a cube, into a power 4 by 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Square root, children. Square root of a power 4 is a square, and square root of 16 is 4 square units. I shall repeat, children. Given the side of an equilateral triangle as a units, you are asked to find the area of the triangle using Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula, children? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square units. And s formula is what? A plus b plus c by 2. Since this is an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. A is equal to b is equal to c. So in the place of b and c also we have used a plus a, 2a plus a, 3a by 2. Now use your Heron's formula, children. Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Every bracket is simplified, children. 2 into a, 2a. 2 into a, 2a. 2 into a, 2a. What is 3 minus 2? A by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. Multiply. A into a square, into a cube, into a power 4, 2 into 2, 4, into 2, 8, into 2, 16, go for square root, root 3, no square root, a power 4 square root is a square, and root of 16 is equal to 4. This is what they asked you to do. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Therefore, area of signal board is equal to Area of signal board is equal to root 3 by 4a square units. Now coming to the next part, children, the perimeter of this triangle is 180 centimeters. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 180 centimeters. What does the term perimeter mean? 3 into side is equal to 80. Therefore, A is equal to 180 by 3, that is equal to 60 centimeters. And do you remember the formula for S, children? S is equal to perimeter by 2. So 180 by 2 is equal to how much? Even S has got units. Why? Because if perimeter is length, S also will have the units 90 centimeters. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, or in other words, perimeter by 2. Now find the area of the signal board. Area of signal board is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 into 60 square. What is root 3 value? 1.732 into 60 into 60 divided by 4. Multiply, children. 1.732 into 900. 9 2s are 18, 28, 65, 15. Add two zeros. Put the point, that is equal to 15588 centimeters square is the area of the signal board. You got the side, children? From the side, we went to area. The area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 value 1.732 into 15 into 60. I hope you have followed this. Now going to the second sum. Second question. The triangular side wall of a flyover has been used for advertisements, and its sides are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters. The shape of the wall is triangular and you have given the sides. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square. What is the meaning of the word yield? Yield means earnings. The advertisement gives an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. You are asked the rent for 3 months. Yes, the sides of triangular wall. What are the sides of the triangular wall, children? You don't get confused. We are only using the letters small a, small b, small c. 122 meters and 120 meters. First find the area of triangle, children. To find out area of the triangle using Heron's formula, you have to find out S. What is S, children? A plus B plus C by 2. Add carefully, girls. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Plus 2, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. That is equal to 132 centimeters. Therefore, area of triangular wall, because you are given the sides, children, use Heron's formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square units. What is S value, children? 132. First bracket, S minus A, 132 minus 122. Second bracket, 132 minus 22. third bracket 132 minus 120. 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. Yes, 132 can be written as 11 into 12 into 10. 110 can be written as 11 into 10 into 12. I think you have followed this step, children. S value 132. S minus A 132 minus 122. S minus B 132 minus 22. S minus C 132 minus 120. 132 minus 122 is 10. Next one 110. Last one 12. I have written so that you can simplify easily. 11 into 12, 10, 110, 11 into 10 into 12. Collect in. How many 11s? 2 11s. How many 12s? 2 12s. And how many 10s? Yes? What is 11 square? 11. Square root of 12 square? 12. And square root of 10 square, that is equal to 10, which is equal to 1302 meters square. Yes. Now what is the rent per annum, children? Rent for 1 year is how much? Rent for 1 year is equal to rupees 5,000 for 1 year per meter square is equal to rupees 5,000. So what is the rent for 1 month? Rent for 1 month will be what, children? 1 year is equal to what? 12 months. So 1 month rent is what, children? 5,000 by 12 rupees. Leave it like that. Now they have asked you the rent for 3 months. 3 months. So what is 3 months rent, children? 1 month rent is so much. 3 months rent is what? 3 into 5,000 by 12 into 1320. 1 month rent, you know. So 3 months rent is what? 3 into 5,000 by 12 into 1320. Go for cancellation, girls. 3 divides 4 times. 4 divides 330 times 0. How many zeros in the product, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 threes are 15. Carry on 1. This is the rent for 1 year. Rupees 16,50,000. You have got the area of the signal board, children. They have given the rent for 1 year. The rent for 1 year is rupees 5,000. So 1 month rent is what? 5,000 by 12. Now they have asked you to calculate the rent for 3 months. That is 3 into 5,000 by 12 into 1320. So after cancellation, your answer is 16,15,000. I hope you have followed, children. Your homework is write formulas 3 times each. Until you write, children, you cannot remember the formulas. Second, redo exercise 12.1 1, 2.